How to use of home insurance UC properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Well, home insurance is trusted across the UK, but many homeowners make mistakes that can leave them underinsured or overpaying. The surprising truth is that simply having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it properly. A common mistake is underestimating coverage limits. Standard policies might not fully cover rebuilding costs after inflation or unexpected disasters. Review your policy regularly to ensure it reflects the current value of your home and possessions. Neglecting liability coverage is another frequent error. Life policies include personal liability, but reducing limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage someone else's belongings. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Home improvements, adding valuable items, or moving can affect your coverage. Not informing of may lead to denied or reduced claims. Overlooking available discounts is also costly. LA offers savings for bundling home and car insurance, using approved security systems and maintaining a claims-free record. Taking advantage of these can save you hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Always document damages, report claims promptly, and maintain clear communication with your claims advisor. By avoiding these mistakes, you can get the most out of home insurance. Ensure coverage matches your home's current value, maintain sufficient liability protection, update your policy as needed, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works efficiently and gives you peace of mind in any situation.